Circumstances do not matter. How to become efficient with your manifestations in the long term. When you use conscious manifestation, nothing really matters. It's a game where what you stick with wins. Seriously. Read again the quote by Neville Goddard: "If you judge after appearances, you will continue to be enslaved by the evidence of your senses." As humans, we're taught that what we see is as real as it gets, and we use what's going on now to predict what will happen next. What's going to happen if we do that? We get more of what we think about most, so we get more of what we think about most. The process of bringing about what you don't want or what you really want is the same, but we haven't trained our brains to always choose what we want. We taught our brains to accept what was going on and start thinking like victims. With the above, I'll explain how I finally changed the way I thought about everything. I'm going to be honest with you, it took me a while. I was used to admitting everything that was wrong and saying, "Poor me, life stinks." Trying to change that was already hard. But I got sick of it and decided it was worth it to keep going. What was the worst that could happen, after all? I'd still be stuck in the life I didn't want. It really couldn't get any worse, so it was worth giving it a try. So here are the 5 things I've learned. 1. Read a few of Neville Goddard's books and listen to some of his lectures. This will make you rethink everything. YouTubers only explain what they think it means based on what they believe. By going to the source to learn a law for yourself, you really learn it based on what you believe. It always works. 2. Make a few goals for yourself. Focus on how you see yourself, also known as self-concept. 3. Backtrack all your bad manifestations. Write down how you thought and felt before your negative manifestations came to life. SP left? This should clarify things further and what areas you must work on. 4. Meditate every day. Both guided ones and your own ones. Guided ones might help you in specific areas, whereas your personal ones will give flight to your own imagination, which is crucial when it comes to manifesting. And an important note in this context: don't overthink your visualizations. 5. Test the law on trivial manifestations, which you're naturally detached from. This would reinforce your faith in manifesting. When you're learning how to use conscious manifestation, you often want to skip steps. You want to get what you want as quickly as possible. I remember seeing videos with titles like "Manifest Your SP Real Quick," or "How to Instantly Manifest" and other things like that. You will get some movement with those videos, but nothing will last because your core beliefs haven't changed, you haven't built your faith in manifesting, and you haven't let go of the reality you don't want. You haven't shown your strength yet. You will get results, but they may not be what you want. To be successful in the long run, you need a strong base. And to do that, you need to know more about the law. Once you understand the law, you'll understand what it means that circumstances don't matter. You will even laugh about it, because 3D, your current reality, will no longer have any power over you. You no longer have to worry about it. So why don't circumstances matter? Because you're the one who made them all. Your thoughts gave life to your situation. Your current world is determined by your core beliefs. And if you made them all, you have the power to modify them all, no matter how horrible they appear. I know you'll try to rationalize some acts in 3D with your logical thinking at first, but take a step back and retrace your steps. Remind yourself of how this situation arose. Accept the fact that if you stay focused on your preferred world long enough, it will manifest. Circumstances don't matter, don't give them control over you,